Good morning, I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundobitcoin with the weekly analysis from today, the 3rd of February, and it goes until the 10th of February, second month of 2014. You're watching multiple time frames. This is the weekly chart. Two situations we see so far between the weekly chart and the 3-day chart. We see a potential lower high failure, and it's turning into a higher low, with an entry in 834, the famous 834, which will be an area that it can activate purchase or buying orders, and why not bring in more volume and market makers into the field. This is the 3-day chart. Same thing is happening. Higher low with an entry, previous entry in 812.93. We already got buyers inside, and they're still trying to push the price towards higher levels. And to see that happening, we need to first penetrate the higher numbers of these previous 3-day candlesticks, which are located in 827.38. So we keep an eye on that one just to make sure. If this happens, obviously we'll see higher lows in the small time frames intraday towards 834 and upwards, and after that obviously the currency will have enough space to move towards higher levels. This is Bitstamp trading platform, just so you know. And right now this is the daily chart. The only situation that it concerns me the most at this point is, besides the fact that these two time frames are in synchrony and aligned in the sense of the buying patterns or the bullish patterns, two higher lows in the same way, the only thing that concerns me the most in this particular daily is the daily chart. Look at the situation right now. It doesn't seem very promising in the sense of the fact that if it follows the next higher lows from weekly and 3-day chart will be fantastic, but it will overextend the movement, and it might fail towards new levels. Why? Because we have an overextended trend, 6 days on the road going on an uptrend. We didn't have any patterns to sustain this particular movement, and right now is in a minor resistance towards 834. Sellers might push the price down towards, once again, main support, which is located in 725. Why? Because this overextended trend needs a rest. And why not? A potential higher low, but it doesn't happen that often. 8 out of 10 times overextended trends, uptrends or downtrends, they fail to bring new buying patterns or selling patterns. In this case, a higher low might fail to be formed, and maybe at that point we see the price once again go downwards towards 825. We'll see what happens, but at this point the weekly chart and the 3-day chart seems promising, and it shows a high probability that the higher low patterns might turn everything into a new rally, and why not, we'll take advantage intraday wise. And last but not least, as you can see, there is another new higher low on the 12-hour chart. So 3 out of the 4 main charts, major time frames, are working towards the buyers and towards a bullish trend, and why not a new rally. But the one that it concerns me the most is the daily chart, so we need to keep an eye on this one to see if it gives us the advantage, and why not take a good opportunity in that sense. And last but not least, here is MtGox, which some of you are still trading that, and right now we see consolidations in the weekly chart, the 3-day chart, and at the same time we see a consolidation in the daily chart. There's not much to tell at the moment apart from the fact that the currency needs to reach 973 towards better areas, and at that point we'll see if the possibilities of new patterns, buying patterns, can follow this particular uptrend. And at that point 1038 could be the next target for this particular formation that we see at this point. So we have to keep an eye on what's happening at this point, and why not. Situations during intraday might bring us good opportunities between 240 minutes and 60-minute chart. Keep an eye on it. Good luck this week. I'm Lucano. This is Mundobitcoin. Have a great day trading. Goodbye.